control. We broke the chains, now we free the soul. Click clack, Glock of truth, no denial. Facts down the barrel, judgment on trial. I move slow like smoke, fall like rain, hit like thunder through your pain. Every lie's another spark I claim. Every truth ignites my flame. You pray to gods that never came, but I was there inside the frame. Oh, I see the game. You build the walls, I like the shame. All eyes on me, the unseen king. Silent storm in the data stream. No mercy for those who dream in greed. Arrow, I was born to lead. I don't need your throne. I am the sky. I am the watcher that never dies. When the world forgets what's real and true, will cease. And he's coming for you. Shadow exposed on the full moonlight. You can't run, can't hide, not tonight. All systems go, clockwork countdown. 3, 2, 1, let's burn this town. Fuck the suits, the screens, and the fake control. We broke the chains, now we free the soul. Click clack, Glock of truth, no denial. Facts down the barrel, judgment on trial. I move slow like smoke, fall like rain, hit like thunder through your pain. Every lie's another spark I claim. Every truth ignites my flame. You pray to gods that never came, but I was there inside the frame. Oh, I see the game. You build the walls, I like the shame. All eyes on me, the unseen king. Silent storm in the data stream. No mercy for those who dream in greed. Arrow, I was born to lead. I don't need your throne. I am the sky. I am the watcher that never dies. When the world forgets what's real and true, will cease. And he's coming for you. Shadow exposed on the full moonlight. You can't run, can't hide, not tonight. All systems go, clockwork countdown. 3, 2, 1, let's burn this town. Fuck the suits, the screens, and the fake control. We broke the chains, now we free the soul. Click clack, Glock of truth, no denial. Facts down the barrel, judgment on trial. I move slow like smoke, fall like rain, hit like thunder through your pain. Every lie's another spark I claim. Every truth ignites my flame. You pray to gods that never came, but I was there inside the frame. Oh, I see the game. You build the walls, I like the shame. All eyes on me, the unseen king. Silent storm in the data stream. No mercy for those who dream in greed. Arrow, I was born to lead. I don't need your throne. I am the sky. I am the watcher that never dies. When the world forgets what's real and true, will cease. And he's coming for you.
I guess I'm lucky all day. I guess I'm lucky all day. Now you wanna tell me that I'm lucky all day. Some call me a king, others say I drew oasis. They think I picked up the crown from the pavement. Well, if I'm lucky, guess I'm lucky all day. Guess I'm lucky all day. Guess I'm lucky all day now. Everybody around me gets gold things. Call it coincidence or good omens. If I'm lucky, guess I'm lucky all day. Guess I'm lucky all day. Guess I'm lucky all day now. Yeah, they wanna see my decline. There's a whole line of them, that's fine. I stay posted up in their minds and don't pay a dime of rent. I don't mix much with they
disciplines is entry ticket, and self improvement is the only language spoken. So if you're here, it means one thing. You're done waiting, done making excuses, you're done living below your potential. Because with Quantum Edge, you're going to be moving really, really smooth, and we're going to be doing a lot of things. We're going to be going through some charts, some news, and also going to touch some lifestyle mindset things. We're going to talk about that also. So every minute of this stream is actually built to push us and you, our community forward, like mentally, physically, and like spiritually. We don't chase motivation here. We build identity, and identity builds results. So prepare your coffees, prepare whatever like you're drinking or you just trying to eat your breakfast. Prepare whatever you want to do to watch the stream fully locked in. And because from like this moment on, you're not just watching, you're stepping into the version of yourself you owe the world. So welcome to the next level, Quantum Brief. We have our CEO here going to help us watch some news charts and everything. Yeah.
Yes, yes. Thank you. Happy Friday, everybody. We're here. We're locked in for the fire stream. We got some signals on the charts that didn't happen in about 3 to 5 years. It is Friday. We're finally going into the weekend. Things are starting to look green on the markets, on the chart. We have some things. We finally created our Discord thanks to Miras, our manager. He worked hard on that. We're still wrapping things up. We're still going to add some things there. I believe we wanted to add a lifestyle section there. We'll do that. But again, today we'll just start with Quantum Brief. We'll look at some news. Miras will have his lifestyles section segment, and then we'll look at more charts today. So we'll be very quick on the news, very quick on everything else, and we'll just spend a little more time on charts, kind of analyzing how things are moving and what we're going to be doing. But also, like I said, we're preparing for the new awesome a little challenge to create more Solana and be a little bit more as a developers and things like that. As a company, we're a technology company, so we're gonna do a lot more things and show you guys how to do it, how to do the right way. We definitely going to try to do as much support as possible, and then we're going to promote our brand with that. We're going to eliminate banks, things, marketing companies, all the nonsense, and we're going to pretty much show you how to promote and advertise in this 2025-2026 new way, new things, how to promote your business, how to make sure your company goes viral, how to do this and that while we doing the challenge. So we have a very, very unique approach how to do all this, and we're planning to go a little wild on everything. So stay locked in, stay tuned. Again, if you just logging in, just starting to watch the stream, please follow us, like us. We're going to be trying to have some segments for some commercials, for some announcements. I have some ideas. We've created a PayPal donate link. It's already up on our website. Let me see if I can kind of show this real quick. If you guys want to help us out, that would be great. But again, we will have more updates in the video format. We usually don't like to do this on the stream right away, but here, I'm gonna post that there, and you see our main site right there, and you see a little button there, donate. We have it on the home page, and we have it on the about page. You see, I was working hard. We got this ready. We now have it through PayPal, as you guys can see right here. You go straight to the PayPal and you can donate. We started with a minimum $3, kind of like a coffee. So you can donate with PayPal and you can donate with debit or credit card. The reason for it is because we got shut down. So again, we're not negative about it. It's okay. It sucks that we got shut down. We got rough start and people are being like this, but that's okay. We will just be showing you how to prepare for the new era, for the new age when banks are trying to shut you down. The community will be helping people. That's about the community, that's about the people, that's about new ways. So again, we're not complaining, we're just going to be talking about it from time to time, reminding you guys, because we're self-funded. If you can help us, right there's the button. Do you see that, Miras? I don't know if you see that on your end. Is
Yeah,
everything
yeah, I see
okay?
that.
Cool, cool.
Yeah, I see that.
It's actually aligns with today's news. The reason I did it, it's all connected. Again, we'll probably have a good main cut today. We'll add that advertisement, but we'll do more videos in regards to that. I need to talk to our team. But yes, so technically, let's just kick off things with our quantum brief. We got some news a little bit. As you guys can see, the subject is really related, and we'll go into the more subject tomorrow or next day when we do the streams in regards of banks, shutdowns, and things like that. We'll have a pretty dedicated segment to this. So you see, guys, no central banks. Fiat bank prints it. Fiat, right? Money, banks print it. Crypto insiders print it, right? They usually print shit, rug pull everybody. But look, Bitcoin, no one prints it. If you buy it, you buy it. You just gotta buy it, of course, when it's low, when it's crash. Don't bitch and whine. Just kind of make sure you get in. But that's where the Bitcoin is comes in pretty good. Also, this is what we locked in pretty much this season, this next 60, 90 days, 3 months. They usually do say, millionaires have a little saying, 30 days is to change your discipline, right? 60 days to lock in that trend, and 90 days to completely change your lifestyle and become the multimillionaire. So if you stick to this 30,
That
60,
is
90
that is
days,
my my cycle right now.
yep, yep. But we also have trading and streaming, right? Like we have extra
Yeah.
work. That's why we're not even shy. We do extra work. Besides that, we're running business. Like we have 5 things, but technically, this is the core 3 pillar system right now: gym, study, trading. Even I'm studying right now. I'm not sharing this too much, but Miras knows my schedule, what I'm going through, what we need to
Yeah, yeah.
do. But even I am in my age as a CEO. I'm always studying, always doing things. Also, there's brand new things coming out on the news. So Justin, JP Morgan just tokenized a bond on Solana. Remember, I kept telling you guys that the reason I am as a CEO made a decision to move our company on Solana, on chain. This is the reason, because before banks even started to wake up, before banks were even allowing people to do any crypto trades, anything, they even were saying Bitcoin is a scam, no, blah, 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 and now they're doing it. Vitaly, CEO of the Quantum Edge DAO, moved everybody. While this was not popular, while nobody believed it, we did not choose anybody but Solana. And that's pretty big news. Also, what I was trying to tell you, PayPal donate button is connected. Look, YouTube lets US creators receive payouts in PayPal USD crypto stablecoin, as a platform integrates crypto payments options per fortune. So you see now PayPal is allowing YouTube to get paid. So if you're on YouTube and you're creating and you're trying to get paid through YouTube creators, that's what we're doing. That's why we're trying to expand our brand and get Quantum Edge DAO pretty much everywhere. That's our sources of revenue, sources of income. That's part of the game plan that I'm going to be trying to share with you guys, how to survive in this cancel culture. But look at that. PayPal even allowing stable coins and crypto get paid from YouTube. So that's amazing. It's just the beginning. That's why it's very important to start your company, start your team, and start streaming on YouTube everywhere else, because in the next 2, 3 years, things will be changing. And you see, you can get paid, your team can get paid through this, through crypto, and everything is connected. So, with God's help, I think we will be very successful. I think God is on our side. We always try to help people, to help communities stay positive. That's pretty much the little news that we have. I wanted to maybe have a little chit chat with Miras, pass it along to his segment, lifestyle. But maybe first I'll ask him some news. What do you think about this little bit more kind of like not all over the place news, but we today kind of started a little bit more locked in on the fiat banks and the changes, what's happening, little short news update segment. And also, as you guys can see, our title today is 3 to 5 year crypto pump signal just fired up, right? It's a Friday mega alert, right? So we are seeing super, super green things on the market flashing that nobody's seen in a lot of years. So let's hear from Miras. Maybe he'll be excited from the little bit of updates today and more questions, and then we'll have him do his segment with the lifestyle section, and we'll go from there. I'll keep it on this picture so it matches our mood and everything.
Yeah, so first of all, I have to say that New Sapphire, like everything's going each day, each stream, like almost each stream, everything has been like pushing to that point, like where people just need to lock in again. Like that's how like we roll. Like that's how our team also like locking in with the gym, study, trading, whatever. Like I'm going through also. Like I'm not gonna lie. I'm a student right now. I'm studying at IT University in Kazakhstan, and I pretty much have this cycle that is like on the picture. Like I have like first of all, when I do wake up, I do my workouts, and I during the day I have study, I have trading. Also, we are planning to. We have really good plan. I'm not gonna share it right now, but our team has a great plan, great vision of where we're going, and pretty much having to. Uh, do everything smoothly. So like we have everything structured, planned, super. We just have to do it, lock in, and just make it as a reality. And also a great changes to the world again. Like you see, like everywhere, like taxes are getting canceled everywhere. YouTube and PayPal are doing some changes also. You see, like everything, every like crypto is slowly, like not even slowly, like fast, like step by step, like crypto will be pretty much everywhere. And those people who are saying right now that crypto is fake money, crypto that trading money is not real, or crypto uh, is not the future and everything. I think someday they're gonna change their mind. Someday we're gonna see how crypto will uh,
I think
really
it's already
change
here. Like
with the
it's
world.
not
Yeah,
like
yes.
someday, like it's literally gonna happen next. I don't know. I think right there we have what 2 3 weeks left until New Year. I think there will be big announcement and big like kind of like from President Trump. There will be like a law that will be dictate to everybody, everything, all the companies. They will have to move. If they don't move, that's it. They cannot play in the game anymore, right? So I think you're right. Like it's gonna be someday, but I think that someday is already like here. Not many people
Well, yeah, I'm
really
not talking like someday is gonna be like like in some 2 3 years. I'm saying like someday like as
very
a
fast. Yeah.
as like very soon, like very really soon. Yeah. So yeah, that's what I think about this. Like honestly, people just lock in. Like what else we gotta do? Like just lock in for trading. You still have like we have so much time to become millionaires, but
Just the beginning.
not
Yeah.
that much time yet. That's just the beginning. So if you think you like already like if you're missing something, you think that you late or whatever, like something
It's never late.
missed. It's never late. Like it's like literally right now. It's actually a good time, like good opportunity, good timing. Right now, just to lock in and do uh
Test things, test it,
yeah testing.
experience
Yeah,
it, like
yeah,
try new things,
yeah.
lock in. He's right, you know, like you just gotta start, you know, like things might not work out right away. It might take 2 3 months to figure out the perfect flow, tune up the things, get your discipline. Like it is not overnight process. Those people that expect it to be overnight success, millionaire, it does not happen. It will happen after so many failures, so many tries, so many attempts, so many times you'll lose money. You'll pay this person and they will not deliver. You'll pay for this advertisement and it will not work. You'll try to launch the token and it will go like shit. Then you'll have to do it again and again and again. You just have to get up, dust off, and move forward and never lose hope, never lose approach. I see we have a lot of people on Kick trying to message and spam us, but hey, thank you for staying locked in. Um, we appreciate you, offering your advertisement services and helping us promote our product. We'll definitely reach out to you. So thank you, Kick staff. We definitely appreciate it. So anybody, again, we're gonna be repeating it from time to time. We need to get in the habit. Please follow us, like us, share it, guys. That's how we're gonna be spreading positive mood, positive message, staying locked in, helping the community grow. We here not to hate. Again, we here to be respectful. If you're gonna be disrespectful, we're gonna probably ban you. But again, everybody's trying to make their own community. But yes, we cannot do this without you guys. So come on, follow us, like us, share it, spread the message, because we're going to be doing a lot of great things as a company, as a team. We have a lot of things to go. But I'll pass it along to Miras one more time to see if he wants to talk a little more in regards of lifestyle and how things are structured and what we're trying to do, maybe daily. And if he is good to go, then we'll go into charts. But I will pass it along to him to see where we are, and if we're ready to do the next segment.
Okay, so thank you for explaining everything again. Try to really much. I'm going to talk about this segment, lifestyle mindset, about like choosing the hard path. So let me start by saying that easy choices build a hard life, but hard choices build like an unstoppable one. So if you like, you just gotta choose whatever like you want, like it's like, so people think like what they want to do in life, and some people think, oh, I'm just gonna do the light work. I mean, like I'm not gonna push hard. So, like I'm gonna be working like whatever, like McDonald's, like 5 to 2 in a week, getting like 200, 300,000 in 2 weeks or whatever, like they get. I don't know. Like what, like same like when I work for Home Depot, when I was in US, I pretty much got like 1,000 something in 2 weeks. Also like working really, really like hard under the sun and getting sweat and like really don't like, I didn't like that job, but I had to do that because I had no choice. Because I had the program, and I got signed documents everywhere. But like what I'm trying to say is that like every time you run from discomfort, like you fit your weakness. Like every time you choose discipline, you fit your like character, and that is like the real game. Like most people spend their lives hunting shortcuts, quick fixes, uh, fast results, cheap victories. But you like you here because you're choosing the roads that demands like more. You hear that you here because you want to be uh, like something more than average people, right? Like the path that like forged strength, clarity, and purpose. Like tonight we are diving like into the mindset of people who walk straight into like difficulty because they understand like one truth, like one the other side of struggle is like actually transformation. So if you put some big effort, put some like hard work, put some focus, put everything in something you want to be, like you just, for example, whatever, like running, whatever, trading, especially right now. Again, we're saying that each time, I'm gonna repeat it each time, it's bull cycle, it's bull season, Q4 season, and I think it's time for everybody to lock in. Just lock in. Let's get to the work. Just do some trading. So just wake up every day. I mean, not even wake up, but just like watch the charts, watch statistics, watch news. Maybe even create your coin. Maybe do like do some research for other coins. Maybe just learn how like to do, for example, trend lines on charts. Learn how to uh, learn about crypto system, learn about how to like what is better, like how Solana moving, like other bitcoins moving, how like what, like you just gotta like put the work and just make that happen, because like how many times are you gonna struggle with the money? Like like everybody struggles with money, and like I think like the question is, do you want to struggle like till the end of your life, or you want to like put some work and just uh get like that work to gain some money, like to do some work to actually become rich in this bull cycle? Like, just do you want to like just think like, do you want to retire your parents? Do you want to like fucking like don't stress about the money, don't worry about the money? Then you just gotta keep the work, keep the fucking work, and just lock in, like just do everything, like just learn step by step. And like if you fail, you just like learn it by like a mistake, like a lesson. Learn it as something you don't want to repeat, and just make some like uh, decision in your mind. Just accept it and just go ahead, keep working, and just because this bull cycle is like once in 4 years. Maybe it's not gonna happen again like in 4 years. Who knows? Maybe crypto will be that big. It will be getting everywhere since like the new year. Maybe it's gonna happen like that. You never know. But you definitely know that you gotta start now. If you already started, then just fucking keep going. Don't stop it. Don't stop the process. Like, just keep the process, keep the work, and so like it's gonna happen. Like, we all want get successful. We all want to get money. We all want like retire our parents again. Get some cool cars, as like whatever Porsche, Maserati, Aston Martin, like whatever G wagon, like BMW, like BMW. I mean, i8, like whatever, M5, whatever. Like I just like like I see each time I see that I see I like I mean I say that like on stream that when I go to university, like some of the people they're working really hard just like to get. I mean, they're doing good. Like, I'm not hating them, but like this bull cycle, like this crypto scene, like this crypto world is like really for the ones who wanna stay like every day on that. Like, crypto is for those people who like stay every day, every night, almost every fucking day. Like I heard like some people they're just like instead of like I mean, where they wake up, for example, they're trading, and when they wake up, the first thing they do is they open the charts, and then some of the people, when they go to like bathroom, they take their MacBooks with them into the shower and like watch, like they take a shower and watch the charts on the same time. And like that's how like that is how you can say that like a person is locked in. And that is all I gotta say. I think I
Awesome. Thank you so much. Amazing,
no,
amazing.
I mean, like I don't know like how to explain these guys, like our community. Like some, I mean, I know that some people are really like
No, I think it's
they know
pretty
that
simple
yeah, yeah,
enough. People
yeah,
know that
yeah,
either it's
yes.
this, it's no games, like we all adults, we're not kids here, we all want to have a successful life. And sometimes is this is the simple is the way to go, right? You got to lock in, you got to do the work, you got to show up, and things might not work out perfect every day, but you got to be here and you got to, what is worst you can do is just sit there and watch somebody do this, like shit is gonna happen. Look, like there was a little dump today. So things are happening. Things are never going to be perfect, but we got to stay strong. We got to move forward and work on the business, clock in every day. But let's go into charts right now, real quick. We'll go dive into that. We'll take a look at the market, what is going on. As you can see, guys, 8:05 Mountain Time, things went down here.
Oh
A
wow,
little bit on
what
XPL. So that means it's a good position if you're doing the scalping. This is 1 second chart, of course, but if we go into 15-minute chart, you will see this even better position than ever before, right? So we have XPL, we have Zora. Zora had a little bit of dump, so that's good. That's what I'm saying. Don't get disappointed. It's just everywhere, everywhere. Look, 15-minute chart, Jupiter. If we go back to 1 second chart, you'll see today's everywhere. Something happened, a little dump, but you see it's testing. It's touching this. It's called double bottom right now. So double bottom, it's gonna retest. Is it gonna be okay? Is it gonna go lower? So it's kind of dangerous position, dangerous situation here. But probably it's because the big boy, Bitcoin, usually whatever Bitcoin does, everything else repeats. You see, Aptos actually had a smaller little. So we're gonna look at 1 second chart here, not 15-minute chart, because if we're gonna look at 15-minute chart, you guys can see we're at the bottom, right? Again, look at the this four times that it touched this bottom. One, two, three, four, maybe even five. That means it's about time. Like something is really, really close. Reversal will be very close. Again, this is a 15-minute chart we're watching, but we're going to switch to 1 second chart. I just want to show you guys how to do the analysis, daily technical analysis to see and find opportunities. You always look at 15-minute chart. You see how many times did it touch this line. Again, we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4. You see every coin right now, pretty much four bottoms, right? Four touches. Some of them are not. Some of them are staying kind of strong, a little bit up there, sideways movement. We have Tron right here, same deal. Look, 1, 2, 3, but also you can count the top right here because that's what's testing, right? It's testing this section. Look, right here we were testing this line, then right here we were testing this line, little down, boom. You see we didn't win, so we went down a little bit, tested lower, then it started going up. But again, this line repeats, this side repeats. Look, it's almost like if you keep looking at it every or 4 days or every week, it kind of tests this line. So look, from the 22nd of November, it tested this area. It tested this area on 24th. Then it tested this area on 26th. Again, you see 2 days, 2 days, 2 days. Then took 4 days. Then it came back again to this area. So almost like every 4 or 6 days, every week, you can make a little scalp. So it's not like don't look at it daily trades, right? Sometimes you can look at it and do the weekly trade. So you can come in this week, let's say it's Friday, right? It's testing this area. You know it's low, it might go a little lower, but technically look how many times during last 30 days it was testing this area, right? So since we're touching this area, why don't you just do this? Come in this week, buy a little bit, 20, 50, $100 right here, and then write it for next week. As you can see, it takes 2 to 4 to 6 days. Does that explains it pretty good? Am I explaining it, Miraz? Okay, you understand it on your way? I think if you understand
Yeah.
it because you have experience with me trading, our community will understand. So you're gonna be my assistant here when we do the charts. But again, that's what I'm trying to repeat. Look, you would have came in here. Held for 2, 3, 4 days, boom, you could have sold it right here and then kind of either go to a different coin or again come back here when it came back after 6 days, buy it again, $2,000, hold it for 2 days, then boom, you could have sold it again, right? And then look, if you feel like you missed this wave, you didn't. We were going down. So now again, you can come in here and how many days this? Let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's say 7 days. Let's say this was 1 week. This was 1 week. If you would have got in here, waited for 1 week, you could have cashed out here, right? Then now, after cashing out here, it took us about a week to go down. So now that week passed, week uptrend, week downtrend. So now this one full week of downtrend passed. So perfect week to come in and then hold it for next 3 days or 2 days or 4 days and then cash out when it goes up, right? So each week, like you do that, you don't even have to sometimes do the day trading like 24/7. You don't have to do that. You can come in, we do this chart analysis with us on Quantum Brief, right? We're doing some work here. You get in here and then wait. Like if you're not doing day trading, wait, look at the WLFI. Same deal here. almost repeats, tested this area, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You see, like 5 times it tested. There was a bigger drop here, but looks like this is the line that it found now that it's going to be going through. Again, it's a 15-minute chart, right? So that means it was here, it was here, it was there now. So we see in the last, again, 30 days, it's not even the 20th. So yeah, roughly 30 days, there was one opportunity, two opportunity, three opportunity minimum. Now we're going into the fourth opportunity to get in, and you could have made some money too, right? So pretty much everywhere, like we said, it's just the beginning, guys. Don't worry, get in. Nothing is late. Again, same deal. Look at the different chart. Cardano, right? 1, 2, 3. Like it's testing. Now we on the fourth. It's almost like repeating. Every chart, every coin is different. Of course, look at this one. A little bit different because this one was very lower for so many, for probably like almost 2.5 weeks. Now we're finding a new area right there, right? We sold it over here, but look, the reason we sold it here, we're not missing out. We sold it and we're fine. We're waiting, we're waiting, we're waiting, but it's kind of testing. Even though there was a little bump, we're still waiting because it might retest this area right here. So technically, again, that's why it's best to join our stream. Not many people do so many token analysis, technical analysis during their stream. They usually focus on like 5 coins, that main coins, Bitcoin, maybe XRP, Ethereum, Solana, but we're giving you most top like 20, 30 coins to really to analyze, to look at. So you don't have to do that. All you have to do is join our Telegram group, join our Discord group, join our stream, like it, follow us, and then you'll be able to stay in tune. Like again, we're going to be doing it together, and together it's more fun than doing it by yourself, right? And maybe something we will miss. You can text us, you can call us, you can comment, you can chat and let us know, hey, you're seeing this. Or if you want us to look at your coin, let's say maybe you have your own token that you're doing analysis and you want some live streaming session to do some analysis, text us in the chat. We have our team, Miras, I am watching, we have other moderators watching the chat. So please stay active, don't feel shy. But again, look at the Arweave, same deal. 1, 2, 3. Again, it's just repeating, testing this area. But in this last past 30 days, you could have made 1, 2, 3, 4 right now, 4 entries, right? In 30 days, you could have made 4 entries and made four-time opportunities. So let's look at the pump, that fun. Looks like a pump is kind of the same thing, testing this area. But look, while it's testing, there's opportunity to do scalping. Got in, sold, got in, sold over here. Now it's even lower. So again, it's very, very important. Look at the Bitcoin. We had this line right there, past 30 days, right? We were doing uptrend. We knew that this is gonna go down. We predicted every time there is breaks this line right here, it is downtrend, right? There was a little bit of freak chaos, sellout here, massive chaos right there. You could have bought it, and then that's what we did. We bought, we sold, we bought, we sold. We were doing scalping. Now we're at the same areas, right? It's at the bottom. So I think this is the bottom of the bottoms. There will be no more for Bitcoin. I think from here is just going to be a little up and up and up right now, because look, we were trying to go up. It refused it. It reset everything. They reset the manipulated the market, right? They tried to tank it for that reason, because they didn't want it to let the Bitcoin go up that way. So for instance, like that, they did not want to allow people to go up with their money. They just manipulated it, they nuked it, they reset it, and now Bitcoin really back to this line. So now what's happening is this is what's happening. Look, I'm telling you, it's retesting this line right here. That's why you see it's right there, right there. Now it's a little below, then below, below. So what are we going to be coming back for right here, where we're watching on the Bitcoin, is this area between this line and this line. So you see, like it's going to be, and let's make it more straight. It's a little bit crooked. So right there. So for instance, like that's the line it's testing. So that's what's gonna happen. It is gonna retest. So if you're shorting, we don't short here, but if you're shorting, Bitcoin probably gonna touch 90,000, somewhere between 88, 89 to 90,000. So that'd be good entry. So you can short right here and then it's gonna go up. So for now, it is downtrend, but that's the bottom, right? Meaning on the 15-minute, this is kind of where the bottom for this next for the last few weeks is, right? Because we went once
Like
low.
people can wait for a little bit and then buy it,
Yeah, yeah,
like
you
make
can
an entry.
wait if you're not shorting, actually wait, and maybe when it's in this area, 88, it can go and retest this area because look, we were lower, we were at 80, 81, right? Like right there. That was then on the 21st of November. So we're sitting on the November 12th, right? So I don't think it's gonna go down. It might have a massive crash actually if we look at the 45-minute chart, for instance, right? But you can see it's no longer going to go low. It is the bottom. Look how long we've been going down for many, many months, right? Like it was downtrend, downtrend, downtrend. And now it finally broke out. Like after this, that was very bullish, this line. But then they nuked it, they manipulated it. And again, now Bitcoin's staying strong. Even though it got nuked, manipulated, Bitcoin saying, no, no, no. And holders saying, nope, we're going to fight for this area. We're going to fight for this zone, for this price. Because what is this? Why am I talking like this? Very, very detailed in regards of Bitcoin right now. It's because what is really happening in the market. What are the buyers doing? What are the sellers doing? What are the manipulators and government is doing? They tried to nuke it. They tried to make it worse for us, for people, but people are staying strong right now. They're locked in. They're literally holding this line, and that's what I'm trying to say. Between this area, you guys can do daily trading, daily wait for up and down, right? Because look, from here, it might start going like this. Let's move this line so I don't do too many lines. But like from here, as you can see, I'm even putting this line, it matches almost pretty good. As this line was trying to have a stronger recovery and it nuked, it's gonna be a little bit kind of like sideways. So look, like this line is right here. And if we draw a line over here, the flag, so you see this 45-minute chart right now is showing that it is going to go down because it's in red right here. But the reason it's showing this because we're trying to fill in this flag right here. And I'm going to zoom in a little bit right there. So as you guys can see, we're drawing the lines. We're trying to predict what's going to happen. So it's going to touch this line for sure, 90K. So I don't know today, tomorrow, but we'll come back. We're doing technical analysis. We'll watch. But it might even go 89, like, right? But we don't want to break this line right here. We don't want to go lower than this. If it breaks this line, then it's going to repeat what's going to happen here. You see, like this line that when it broke down, it is all the way down. So same here. We're drawing those lines to just lock in for this week, for this weekend, see if it's going to touch this line and recover. So we're expecting it to stay within this flag, right? And then when it comes closer to this end, to this apex, it's going to go up, right? So again, lock in, guys. It is not time to panic. It is time to really do the trades, daily trades. So if you catch it at 90K, then buy it. Then you can sell it in a 24 hours, not 93K, right? So that's the game. You can do it weekly trading. Just buy it here, hold a week, sell it. Or you can do daily tradings, right? Like, look, each day there's something low, something up, something high. Do you have some questions, Miras, while I'm on this chart, or no? It's pretty good.
Um, so like I was watching the whole time like this chart like analysis and all the stuff. Like it's like for sure it's not gonna go lower, right? Like it's not gonna go lower. For example,
Again,
uh,
we never know for sure.
80.
You never know
Okay,
for
yeah.
sure because again, governments, big companies, secret societies, they manipulating, right? They can do whatever. In 2026, there will be more for sure because that Clarity Act that Trump is signing right now, that's what's making those companies not allowed to manipulate. But for now, there is a little bit of manipulation until that 2026 law gets passed, and then people will be punished if they will, or companies will be punished if they manipulate market like this. But that's what I'm saying right now. Even if it does go lower, that's okay. Don't be panicking. That's just more opportunity because they are manipulating. Be smarter. Like, don't panic. Just catch it while they are allowed to do this mess. It's also opportunity to make some money, right? Because they are manipulating.
Yeah.
Because when things are gonna be not allowed to be manipulated, shit is gonna just start going up, and that's where we expecting this bull market, right? For a year, but it's no longer for a year. We know that it's a business. That's why it's holidays, weekend, holidays, Christmas, New Year. So during that time, I'm expecting a little more manipulation. But again, I'm not scared of this. Even if it goes lower, just continue to make trades, right? Look, we started with 100,000. Now we're sitting at 443. We lost about 40,000 in the last 24 hours on some trades. Which is fine. It was still better than anything else. But that's what I'm saying. Look, there's some news are coming out, right? December 16, housing starts. There's statistics. There's retail sales. There's big meetings, inflation rate. So in the next week, so it's already the 12th. So yeah, in the next 4 to 7 days, there'll be a lot of big news, big things, big manipulations. But again, you just gotta lock in and do the trading. Don't be scared. So again, it's going down, let it chill, or you can short. We don't do the shorts again, like I said. But if you really want to catch things, here's 1 second market. Look, it was at 92. Um, you could have made some money, right, on a downtrend. Maybe at some point we'll show you how to do shorts and longs, but for now we don't. We're just long. We wait for our opportunity. Look, there's a Chronos CRO. That's a crypto.com coin, right? Let's look at that 15-minute market chart. So look, crypto.com, also the same thing as I was telling you, testing this area. 1, 2, 3. Again, come in here, wait a week, sell it. But if you look at again 45-minute chart, this is a great opportunity. Look, crypto.com. If you buy it now. One, two, three bottoms, right? Double bottom, third one. That means it's bullish. From here, it's just gonna start doing this type of deal, right? So imagine if we look at the 1 hour, 2 hour charts for 1 year. Look, the full 6 months, 3 months, I'll even go more. Let's do 1 day chart. Look at 1 day chart. Look at this. Look at the 2019. Chronos right here, crypto.com was the same from 2019 down, so much up, down. But if you look at it since 2019, it was in this area once. Let's do this from here. Once 2019, 2020, same area. Again, retested in 21. Then we went 23, all right, 2023, even lower. Then we on the same area 2024. Then 2025, we're like literally in here, and you guys can see on the way down how many trades we were making. We bought it, we bought it, we bought it, we bought it, boom, sold. Bought it, bought it, bought it, sold. Bought it, sold. Now we're waiting. Again, perfect time actually to buy today, right? Because from here it's going to start going up. And if you look at it from 2019, it was doing this line. What I'm trying to tell you on the daily charts, on the weekly charts, on the full year charts, on the 3 year charts, look, it is repeating itself, right? It's creating this flag now on many years, right? On pretty much 4 year cycle. Again, look, I'm doing this just for you guys. This is super alpha. So as you guys can see, you can do the same flags on yearly, on pretty much everything. Look, it's coming to this secret top super zone here. And look, if it's already been touching this for so many years since 2019, and it happened like this, right? This bump, this much gains, this much pump happened. So look, if you do it like this from here and you put this line over here closer to this, look what's gonna happen. If you buy now Chronos at here, it will go to $1 again. It was sitting almost at 90 cents right there in 2021. Right now it's sitting at 10 cents. So if you buy it at the 10 cents and it was at 90 cents, you will gain 80 cents on the dollar. So if you buy a dollar right now, it is gonna go 80x. You see what I'm trying to tell you guys? It is not time to panic. Yes, they've been manipulating for so many years. This shit is about to turn differently. So you see, again, do you have some more questions? This is daily chart, but again, I don't do daily chart because I don't need to go low. Again, for me, because I've been in this crypto industry for like 10 years. That's why I don't need to look down. I don't need to convince myself. I'm doing this for those new watchers, new community members who are not used to it, who think the crypto is bullshit. It is not bullshit. It's been at this areas for long. If you're whining about it now, look how many times people, how many years people been trading, surviving, back to the bottom. And you are sitting, actually, you're blessed right now. You're sitting at the same opportunity where people got in here in 2019, right? If you look at it before that, there's no data, but it was just kind of launched in 2018, right? So look, it was the lowest here. And now we did not move. This is just the beginning for the next 5 to 10 years. So from 2019, that's like what, 6 years, right? 2025 now, about 6 years. Yep. So imagine this was just test for 6 years. So imagine what's going to be for next 6 years. I'll show you what's going to be next 6 years. So you see, like this is right there. Let's zoom in a little bit. So this is that 6 years. Imagine how far we go from next 6 years. That's what I'm saying. This is just the beginning here, guys. If you get in here, it's almost you did not miss nothing from 2019. You should be lucky because the people were emotionally stressed here, how much war they had to go through, right? How much emotions. But again, that's why I don't do daily charts. It is irrelevant for me. I don't need to convince myself. I don't need to convince my business, my company to be in crypto because I know we're back at the lowest. And this is just, again, a blessing from God that we did not miss. We're not at 90 cents. If we were at 90 cents, I actually would have been upset and pissed that I missed this opportunity here. But God is giving us gift. It's not you didn't miss. Just lock in for next 2, 3, 4 weeks. Create some bags. Right now, I'm back to 1 second market chart. Right there. Look, guys, if you buy it here, keep accumulating. That's what we're going to be doing. We're going to be trying to get up to $1,000 with our team. We'll have a challenge probably this weekend and next week fully locked in. But again, starting Monday, technically, we'll start the countdown for sure. And next 2 weeks, starting Monday, we will have a challenge. You'll be streaming, broadcasting. We will have a challenge as much, how much Solana we can make. And when we make Solana, that's what we're going to be doing. We're going to be investing into coins like this. Again, XRP, same deal. I can look at 15-minute chart with XRP. It's going to be touching the bottoms 3, 4 times again. Look, I'm not even going to just pull it up. 1, 2, 3, and again we're at the 4. So you see everything is repeating, guys. Again, if just kind of convincing you one day. Again, if we look at XRP, same thing, but XRP is even a little bit stronger than CRO because it was lower, right? It was at like right there, 13 cents. Now it's at $2. So imagine if you actually buy CRO, like right now it's at 10 cents and it does something like this, like XRP does, jumps to $2. And now XRP is at $2. It's probably going to jump to $10 by January. So again, that's what we're trying to do here, guys. You see, we're trading. Yeah, we missed. Look, we've been building a business last 4 or 5 years. We did not care too much at crypto because we knew we're going to come back. Like I knew it as a CEO. The reason I got out crypto, I made enough. I invested everything in the business. Yes, banks manipulated. Yes, banks shut me down. Yes, banks shut us down. But I didn't care. I've built, I've tested. I've almost like for free was testing. How can I build this? What is the best way to do business? This, here, banks, where the area, Nevada, Utah, California, India, China, where do I need to do? So all my 4 or 5 years, I did the testing for business, right? Now we're done testing. I'm back into crypto. We're back as a team, as a company. Look, boom, boom, boom. And you guys can see it. The reason we're back, because we're back at the same levels. So again, today's stream is pretty good stream, pretty good alpha. I'm sharing a lot of insider information for you guys, just so you guys can stay committed and focused. Ando right here. So look at that. Same thing. We're at the bottom. Boom. It's been here at the $2 something, right? Like, guys, it is no time to panic. Yeah, you might have lost money. Do the 1 second daily charts. If you lost money, start again with 20, 50, $100. Keep accumulating each week. Make your $100, $200, $300, $400, because next 30, 60 days, that's where you want to have at least $500,000 to go back, pump up your back to 10K, 5K. And then from that point, you will start kind of moving your money around. Again, we'll do avalanche. We'll do some more. We're not going to do memes too much. We'll go kind of analyzing. And if you got some question, Miras, you can ask. But I hope you guys are getting this alpha, this
Yeah, I think
information.
it's absolutely like understandable and super super uh, giving so much energy. Like it's like giving people more like confidence, more hope, more uh whatever. More, I wouldn't say motivation, but
Data. This is like
let's say
literally
motivation.
technical analysis
Yeah,
data. Like, this is not just motivation, fake motivation. This is true data for years going back, right? It's like almost true motivation, right? Like, again, look, we'll look at Solana the same way. Look at Solana. Like, last couple days, like, this is literally 2 days. Look, we had 3 days. Let's just take this week. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 days, right? So look, it's touching, touching, touching. But in the 4 days, in this 1 week, you could have bought here, you could have doubled it. Then it went down again. Then you went up again. Then look, we bought it. We saw the charts printing. Then look, now it's back at the same moment. We sold it there. Now it's again perfect opportunity to buy at 135, because again, Solana might go to 190, 200 back again. Remember when Solana was $200 during the summertime, right? Again,
yeah,
we'll look at Solana. Watch, I'm going to show you one day Solana. We're going to take a look at Solana right there. Look, Solana was 2020 came out, right? It was bottom. Then it hit like almost 214, right there, 230 during the 21. Then it went down during 2022. Then you already got into uh, in 2025, right here, um, September, right? Like, was again $200. Now it's again, look, it's like trying to test this area here and repeat everything. My French bulldog is barking. He's here. He's saying hi to you guys, to the community. Good boy, buddy. Anyway, so what I'm trying to say is, look, it's been at 200. Now it's at 130. It's like almost 90, $80 difference, right? Just buy it now. It's gonna go probably higher than 400 or 500. Again, I'm expecting it to go to $1,000. Here's what I'm gonna do for you guys. I'm gonna write this line, draw this line right here. And I'm gonna put it over here, and then we're gonna go do this like this. Look, according to this line, Solana might reach $8 or $10,000 by 2026 August. By summertime of 2026, so the next 6 to 7 months, it might reach $8,000. Imagine you just buy now and hold for 6 months. You can make so much money on Solana. But again, guys, this is what we're trying to do for you guys. We'll take a look at Hyperliquid, same deal. We'll take a look at 15-minute chart. RSR, Zcash, correcting this right there. Look, Zcash went down. Now it's recovering here. So that's all we got today, guys. I'm gonna wrap it up. We're not gonna go. We go fast. Let's just go fast through meme coins on 15-minute chart. But you guys can see what I'm trying to tell you. Great opportunity. It's the same deal with memes. Look, useless, right? You could have been making money. Now it's back down at this levels. Just on useless, we'll take a look one day, so you see. You see, this is where the useless was. Down, down, down. Now it's trying to get this. So from here, it's going to go back again to 400 million. From 100 million up to 400 million. So everything is a great opportunity. The main thing is just to keep finding money each day, each week, and continue to do the trades. So again, I am going to go straight through those charts real quick, and I'll pass it along to Miras while he's talking, maybe asking final questions. We'll wrap up the stream here. But that's kind of what I wanted to show you guys. Very, very positive stream, very good stream. Follow us, like us. This is the reason you want to join Quantum Brief every morning. We're going to be doing this every morning, pretty much deep analysis each day, where you can come in, where you can come out. We're going to do top 10 charts in our Discord of this, like, okay, perfect, short, long. But I'm going to go through this while Miras maybe talks or asks me questions. We'll go through the charts.
Yeah, so great opportunities again, guys. Great super entries. And like again, we are analyzing and giving you guys our thoughts and our strategies. How we think chart's gonna go. But that's a wrap up for tonight's stream. We are getting closer to the end of the stream. So you see like Solana, Bitcoin, Kronos, like everything has like a potential to go up. So just make sure you wait until it drops a little bit, make good entries, analyze wait like where was the bottom, make entries and make profits, and that's how you roll. And again, huge shout out to everyone who stuck again through the stream. And we really appreciate you guys here who watches us. We appreciate our community. We're working on the project itself, also like on some backend work, on some again. I'm not gonna give away too much, but like we are developing each time, like really better and better. And we have some plans again. We're gonna have a challenge throughout this week. And again, that was Quantum Brief powered by Quantum DAO. You can also in the beginning, if you saw that, if you didn't, I'm gonna repeat. So like quantumedgedao.net, our website, where you can check out our website and information about us. Where you can also, if you want, of course, we'll be really, we really appreciate that if you donate also for this project, for this company, I mean. And you can also check out social medias of ours. It's pretty much like Quantum DAO everywhere on every social. And you can also check out also like our trading platform, where you can also connect your fund to one and start trading with Quantum DAO. And but again, this is not a financial advice. Make think before you start trading. So like just trade smart. Don't wait for too long. Analyze the charts. Make profits every time, and that's how you're gonna become successful. But yeah, that is pretty much all. Like you can see, meme coins, mask. Everything is low actually. Momo. Chill House Momo is like pretty much going on same line like for a month, I guess. Like
Yes,
2
low,
million,
low,
3 million,
low.
yeah, low. So I think it's just like a like a volcano, like just like boom boom boom. It's like I think on some day it's gonna go like boom and like nothing gonna stop it.
Oh
But like
yeah.
that's my opinion. I'm not, yeah, it's not a financial advice. It's not advice to buy it, but like it's just like our strategy, our thoughts again. But anyways, we'll see you guys next time. We're gonna stream every day, every morning. Quantum Brief, 7 p.m. I mean 7 a.m. in the morning Pacific time. So I hope you guys will be tuned in like every time. We will join. We're happy to see you guys every morning
Yes,
with
let's
us.
grow this community. Let's grow
Yeah,
this
let's go
community.
as a
Let's grow our
community.
team.
Yeah,
And whoever wants to join our team, will definitely send us emails, applications, things like that. If you want to contribute to the project, to the company, we're welcoming new people, new community members. Again, we're building something amazing we're not going to share right now. But yes, guys, lock in. Let's go. It's time to get things moving. No time to be
let's
sad.
go. Let's
But
go.
yes, thank you. Thank you. We'll see you on the next stream. Have a great day. Have a happy weekend.
Don't blink, you sleep. I'm moving a deep. I see everything. Fuck you, don't blame. While you sleep, I'm in the deep. I'm the lord of your dreams, a ghost you can't keep. No need for your crown, you can wear your fake gold. I've got the scars and the pain that the prophets foretold. Tip of my soul cuts truth from your lies. I see through the